you never really talk deeply on what happened between you and Bawdacat.
Yeah.
The world really know about the incident, you understand? You have anything you want to say about that? I don't think you ever thought about your life before YouTube. Was YouTube your first job? Any kids? Married, single, engaged? What go on when it come on to Drizzy and the special person? Would you consider Drizzy Burke from Walking TV or Basil Burke? You rich?
One time I bend the corner, I don't remember nothing. Man say no, so the car will crash because I see my head stay so. I just wake up, crash.
When you come on to Drizzy Burke, I notice say you give a different level of respect to Drizzy.
Yeah, man.
What you say Drizzy do for you? People want to get to know you a little bit, you know. You see me? Outside YouTube.
Well,
what go on?
Dan is a youth that come up in a bush now, in a valley. Left and go to Kingston. That.
What's up with that rabbit? What's up with that rabbit? She good with it, she good with it. Act all over my carrot. Took us before the carrot. Soon as I put it down, I swear they wanna get married. Damn, damn, I swear these girls go damn, damn, damn. I swear my go damn. First they start out booty, then I'm like, is that your booty? Then she let me touch her. Now we go. She know. I've been waiting just to take her down. Oh, yeah. I told my partner Neo, hit me when she come around.
Road 21. Represent.
Oh, body like drugs and I need.
That man don't need no introduction to YouTube, you see me? But we up in a them town. Where we there, Drizzy?
Down Portland, you know, where Boatland.
What kind of boat land up?
Well, for boat, man.
Wally.
Good boat them, you know.
Alright. So guys, it's a while one done and we're there with Drizzy Burke from Portland. I said the biggest YouTuber in Portland right now, right?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Okay.
Wanna.
Drizzy.
Well, I don't know about them more, but yeah.
You don't know about no more?
No more. I know about me and my team. How we do it, you know.
Alright. Officially introduce yourself to YouTube or to the media.
How you want me to introduce myself? Because when you too used to them things yesterday. Well, people don't know say Drizzy Burke Walking TV from, you don't know Walking TV, you don't know known for the river vlogs, them travel vlogs, all of them things there, you know. So, Drizzy man, yeah, get there, you see me? Come and enjoy yourself on the rivers and them things there. You don't know, a crazy fun lifestyle settings, everything, you know, active.
Okay, Drizzy. So that's Drizzy Burke, guys, on YouTube, on Walking TV. So Drizzy, we up in a Portland, and I must say to you, I come to Portland already, but I was small, and I must say Portland to me, it's special. Maybe you don't know that because you're born and grow here, but to me, the moment me enter into Portland, out of St. Mary, it's just a different vibes, you see me?
Yeah.
It's just a different vibes, you see me? And now me see why people love Portland so much.
It's a gem. It's a gem. Okay. It's really a gem because once I touch in a Portland, it's just whole heap of niceness, you know, the sky, the greenness, all of them things that you don't know, so once you reach, you just feel love, you just feel, you know, feel welcome.
You're right. Yeah. You're right about that. But we not go too far in our interview yet. People want to get to know you a little. They know Drizzy Burke. You see me?
Yeah.
Is Drizzy Burke your real name, your government name?
No, Basil Burke.
Basil Burke.
Yeah, Basil Burke.
Okay.
Get my father name, you know?
Your father. So you're a junior?
Yeah, I'm a junior.
Okay. And people also want to know, like, growing up, both parents in the household.
Yeah, man. Growing up, married home. Father and mother married. You see me? So I grew up good. You see me? As an only child, spoiled as usual. I don't know get anything I want. As I cry, I get it, you know? So we grew up with everything we want. You see me? We don't grow up like billionaires, but we grew up nice. You see me?
Nice.
People them have it and we're nice.
Nice. All right. So, would you say growing up you were comfortable? You were quite comfortable.
Yeah, man.
In a sense where mother and father make sure you get what you want and need, or only when you need.
Yeah, man. Everything. We grew up comfortable. We just unruly, you know?
Unruly.
Yeah, 'cause I never like school.
So you say only child.
Only child. No, me have a sister. But from my mom's side, but my dad, me alone. But I'm alone grew up from small, so I'm me alone. You see me? So I grew up lonely and just by myself, you see me? So I know how to be by myself without even want company and everything, you know? But we just love people, because I just weed that.
So what you said though, we up in a Portland and when you pull up, me see a lot of people just line up to take picture with you.
Yeah,
Would you say that you're well accepted and well celebrated in Portland as we speak?
Yeah, man. Well. Me I tell you, like, everybody just love everything when I do. They just love the work. So, you don't know, everybody just want to come and meet me and try to show me, say, yo, yeah, I do the real work. You see me? Enough time people tell me, say, this bigger than what me even do. You see me? So, when them come and them express them feelings to me, I say, yeah. Like, me I do the right thing, you know? So, me love that when people come and express them feelings and make me feel good, so I can put in more work, you know? Yeah, put in more overdrive.
And Drizzy, this is my personal take on meeting you. You know, after your accident, the world knows say you have a terrible car accident. Right now, you're still now walk from in our July. You see me, and meeting you after I reach out to you. People reach out to him knowing that before I become up here so in the social media world, you know, me do a couple video when him and Bawdacat thing have fall out. Me not afraid to tell you no. That's why in a life you can't to put people. You see me? And when me reach out to you, bro, straight good vibes, bro. And now me understand why you're so loved on YouTube and in your city. You see me?
Yeah, man. Genuine love me up, man.
And me just want to tell you know, people being around them different. You see me, the whole team, Drizzy Burke right there, so good youth, you understand? But Drizzy, me know say you never really do an official interview and people want to know not the Drizzy Burke on YouTube, they want to know the real Drizzy Burke. That's why me up in a Portland today. I will advise with you. You see me? And right now we are at Roots 21.
Yeah, man, the place to be, Roots 21, you know? Anytime when I forward to Portland, Roots 21 is a must go. Like, if you not stop at Roots 21, you don't stop nowhere in Portland, you know?
Roots 21, big up on yourself. Thanks for accommodate Wandan and Drizzy Burke. You understand? So, Drizzy, we're going to go into it. YouTube. How the love for YouTube come about?
I get inspired by watching geographical channels first before I go up on the site. When my father, my uncle, they work, and then I meet cat. But I get inspired from them time there. But I used to make videos, like make transition videos. So from this I have a fame. So everybody knew me from them. But I have a YouTube channel, but I wasn't posting on it. So when I left and go to the site now, I meet Bawdacat. So from there, so now I just gain a next popularity, you know? More audience come in and more different people come in. So everybody say, yeah, this thing can work. So when me and Bawdacat split, I decided to just take it to another level, you know? Nature, because I love nature. And trees, rivers. I just love that naturally. It's like, you know? You and your friend them go out and cook and everything there. We used to live them life there enough when we small. So I said, I want to bring it to the world and make the world see how Jamaicans really live. So that it really inspired me for do what I do now on YouTube, for start travel and start the whole heap of river vlogs and everything there, you know.
How do you think the world take this vlog? How do you think the world accept it?
I'm take it personal, man. Because if I don't post for a couple of days, everybody a message my phone or people are comment and say, yo, what happened? Because this are them daily dose, you know, people don't really watch TV no more. Then we just search my videos, them watch them. If me not post the other week, people just rewatch the videos because the vibes can't stop. When you watch back a video, just come like it's like the first time you watch the videos, them, you know. So that really.
Before YouTube though, right? Because I know you have a life before YouTube. And I don't think you ever thought about your life before YouTube. Was YouTube your first job?
No. Used to work at Trident Hotel.
In Portland?
Yeah. And a 5-star hotel room, it's a leeching one.
And people want to know, what did you do at that hotel?
Houseman, man. He's a houseman out there, you know. Yeah, houseman. Because that's my first job as a spoiled kid, you know. Parents just say, go and go.
Do something.
Do something. So I just, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know work hard to find a Jamaica. And then now, for me people them out there run off out as management and everything there, you know. So we get accepted out there and we go out there to work and put in work and save money and anything there, you know.
So would you say you were good at your job?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, good at my job, man. Yes, man. I'm good at everything when I do, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, once I put my mind to it, I make my staff, them, if they go watch this, them can know and can tell us, yeah, man, Basil, a good boy, man.
Guys, anyone I staff them watch this video, comment down below. And if him a lie, you comment it. He can't do nothing. You understand? If him a lie, comment down below. As me tell you, I'll get personal with this interview. You know, people want to forget for know, not walking TV with Drizzy, you know. They want to know you as a person. So, any kids?
Yeah, me have a daughter.
You have a daughter?
Yeah, me have a daughter.
Okay. And married, single, engaged, what go on when it come on to Drizzy and the special person?
Yeah, man, me have a special person, man. So, me not married, but, you know, me not single either. Yeah.
So you're not married and not single?
But me have a special person, if you understand me, I say.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So Drizzy, we want to touch into, because a lot of people, including myself, you never really talk deeply on what happened between you and Bawdacat.
Yeah.
The world really know about the incident, you understand? And you can't go in details, but you know, so we're not going to spend the whole time
right.
on this topic.
Yeah.
But if you want to go in, you know some details, what happened and you know what caused the fallout, although I see a recent video, I'm not go there now.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Good.
So you have anything you want to say about that?
I just misunderstanding with Bawdacat and me, you know? Yeah, I feel like me there rob him, which I wasn't. You know what I mean? Because when me line out everything to him now, him gonna feel like say me a try fake or show me computer savvy. Him gonna feel like me a build some paper and I show him say this we get, when that we get. When that we get, you see me, I will split it in half. You see me, but why fee money probably done before mine, so because him have an entourage, I don't. I roll by myself. I have a big entourage, you know, where me can happen, but I choose not to. So him have that, and me have my one man by myself at me, you see me, so him have to split. And then he want me to help split with them, you see me, which me and them do it, and me and him. So you know, so fee money probably done before mine, and mine's not done, so them feel like so me I rob them, because me have money, or me can have money if I do this, I didn't have money, can't do that. So I that really go on, and we come to the conclusion, so yeah man, a misunderstanding, and we're good, you see me, because I was always a bigger person, even though I'm the youngest. You see me for squash anything or anything, you know, because I don't want to have nobody up in my heart. I don't feel like me can't carry that. The spirit with me have, me can't have up nobody. Even if people do me dirty, yeah, me still want to make sure so we're good. You see me? Yeah, man, that cause it, man.
Okay, so basically I'm Bawdacat good there now and...
Yeah, man. We're good, man. As me I say, I just misunderstanding people going in head and everything there.
Okay, may I ask you a question? I see you mentioned that you split, when you and him used to work together, you split everything down the middle.
Yeah.
May I ask you that question? Were you the one who do the production, like
yeah, man.
edit video, posting video, make sure say copyright free and all that stuff?
I do everything. All him do, I do stock. And bring jokes to the people, and me do the editing, everything, and make sure I say everything right. Enough time videos get copyright and me have to pull it down back, edit again, up 5 o'clock in the morning, I edit videos, make sure it's good. So me I do whole heap of work. All them do to sit down and do stock, which everybody can agree to that, say, yeah, you know, but me I do all of the work back there, backstage, you know.
So you, beyond the scene, I will not say behind, why? him there behind the scene, I do the production people and also I run the channel, you know, make sure, cause I'm a YouTuber as well and I know how me feel when me have a hit video where you see a yellow thing, you know, fully monetized.
Bro, it traumatize you.
Fam, me have a video on my channel, almost 1 million views, bro.
And I get yellow mark.
Look at no man, when it have make money in a Drizzy, 500,000 views, me see yellow mark come up and me don't know why. You understand? So me understand the stress where you go through.
Sometimes I don't like when videos go viral no more because anytime I go viral, they might find something. Yeah, so me alright with my videos, them very low.
Average.
Yeah, average. Me not like when them go viral no more. So
but really and truly, well on Drizzy, I say average, you rack up some views, man.
Yeah, man.
And it lead me to the other question, right? Me see your lifestyle. Me run you for about a week now, and me see your lifestyle and I know that the whole of YouTube, the whole of who I watch this video. Oh no, nobody say me fast. I'm a YouTuber as well. Me just ask. Yes, I'm just asking Drizzy what people want to know. You understand? Me notice that you have a driver. You know, although your foot is messed up right now, you have people who literally take care of you. Yeah. So, would you consider Drizzy Burke from Walking TV or Basil Burke? Yeah. You rich?
Well, if you answer that question, then my boy, we're nice, we're rich in life.
Me don't want a Bob. Me don't want a Bob Marley.
We're rich in life, but we alright in our life, man.
You alright?
Yeah, man, we alright. Trust me. Everybody around we alright in our life. Yeah, we might not reach like beach in the money, man, but we have it all we can do a match, you know.
Can do a match.
Yeah.
Alright, talking about that though. What's your everyday life like?
We see on the TV. We see on YouTube, but that I do every day.
Every day?
Yeah, we just get up and vlog. If we feel like any time of the night, any time of the day, we just get up and vlog. I will work. You see me? So we don't have no limit. That's my everyday life. If I don't vlog, I still gonna do the same thing.
And what make your videos them so special? Because being around you, you teach me a few stuff and you not even know. What make it so special? Because when I watch your vlog them, it's like the quality of the video, the way you edit. One, yeah. You see me, the way you edit. What make it so special? Just something special about it. Why you think of your sauce?
I don't really have no sauce, you know, but everybody can watch and pay attention and analyze things, you know. You have to make videos where the whole world can feel, you know, feel the video, then feel it. You see me? So when I make a video, I know the man them love woman. I know the elder people them like watch conversations, them like hear conversations about various topics. I know say some of the girls them love food, a woman love food. So when them see food I cook and them thing there, them go and watch and see if them can catch a few stuff, you see me? The kids them know, we don't know we have the whole heap of say now, the adventures them, we go up on them adventures there, they don't know the slides them and them things. So we make contents for everybody. So them they just merge together. Give me an audience where I can't fall off, it's hard for me to fall off. Okay. You see me? So once I stay consistent, well, I always stay consistent. So once I can do that, you're not going to fall off, man. Once you give the people what they want, them not fall off.
Drizzy, I must commend you from being around here. We go to Spanish River. You have a fight where you always a record, you always have a vibes. May I look on your foot right now, and guys, me soon get into the accident. We're happening our July 31st.
Yeah, July 31st.
We soon get into that, but I must say, me personally think say if me suffer an accident like what you have, me won't have this.
This drive?
Fam, you're moving faster than me, and you only have 1 foot now, man.
I don't know.
Why secret? Tell me how you... How you get up and just say, yeah, why you still do it?
God never want me to go nowhere, man. You know, He want me to stay there for a purpose. So whatever me I do right now by my broke foot, He might tell me, say, yo, you can't do it same way, man. Nothing can stop me. You see me? Even when me in the house stress, He must say, yo, get up and try walk, man. Try do something. Remember, so me this, me never born this way, so eventually me have to try, get up and try do something and try. Make back the foot up. You know, I think where it is. You see me? So that really, so when you see me out there right now, everything nice. My health is good. Everything is alright. So
mentally, you think?
Mentally, yeah.
We are going to touch on an accident. I know say when me see it, as I told you before, me personally, Drizzy, when me see a post about the accident, think it can go viral because everybody start talk about it. And when me see it, as me tell you, me watch your content, very great content, you know, you produce, and me pull over and think me text you same time, and within a few seconds, you reply.
And bear in mind, me have a million message that come in. And my closest people, I can't get to even link back because I go so boom, messages are flying. So when the sister me answer your message, I was know, say yeah.
Yo, me I tell you fam, when you reply me I say yes man, me glad say bro. Even if you don't reply bro, me just still want the best for you cause when me see what man, me see your face mess up and you know, me have to say wow, cause you're a co-worker same way. And me can talk to a lot of people, especially in the States, in England, in Canada. Your videos do a lot for them mentally.
Yeah man.
Because remember you show them the raw Jamaica. You understand? And if nobody no want to tell you thanks, me just want to say thanks. You see me? We're going to touch into the accident, you know? People want to know what really happened. And me I go give you the mic and tell the people them what really go on. You understand?
So, remember say we are YouTuber, right? So, you don't know, so we work no normal. So, when you see we out here and make this money, and I do the work, we have to work twice as hard as any man outside, you see me? So when we do overseas, we're there and I put in the work, no sleep.
That's where in DR, right?
In the DR, yeah. Me and my brother JK and Joker make a quick run go over there. And you don't know, say, we have make content, we have do business and everything there, so we don't have no sleep, you see me? So once my video something today, you don't know, so we go up on the road tomorrow because it's a short time. I have to catch everything, so I don't get no sleep and I have to edit same when I put out. You see me? So, I never get to hold it sleep. So, the day when I come home now, we got to wait, like, say, 3 o'clock, we have a 5 o'clock flight. So, we jump on the plane, I try to get some sleep. I couldn't sleep, because I come back, I just can't sleep on the plane, none at all. Reach a Jamaica now, thing. Well, alright. Brother say, yo, I have a bill. I say, yeah, man, I have a bill, man, but I never bill. I come to Portland. Now. And Portland.
From where?
From Kingston, yeah.
Kingston.
Reach a Portland. Go so boom snow and they home and me have something for drop off with somebody because they might leave the island tomorrow.
Somebody and not to be here.
Yes. Right? So me have to leave, go down there and I come back now. So when me I forward back now, me I try to fight this sleep, I have to come back home. Which me stop on at the time them. Me stop at Dover. When me stop at Dover, me drop asleep little but the car never in a park. So I get up back and say, you know, I not stop us because the place are kind of dangerous, you know. So I try to drive, say I go to Buff Bay, drive forward to Buff Bay. When I almost reach a Buff Bay, there's a cemetery. You see me, I pass the cemetery. My cousin actually live on the road because he's my police. So they have a, like, you know, a little traffic thing. I go on this up in the morning there. So when I do this now, bro, I pass this and then you have a little open part now when I pass the cemetery and I come around. It's like the breeze off of the place there just slap me because I'm winding on the windows.
Because you try to stay away.
Yeah, but
that's why you're winding on the windows.
Yeah. But after me I pass him, I wind up at the windows them. And go so boom snow. So one time I bend the corner, I don't remember nothing. The car I drive for probably like 2-3 minutes. I head on to our next car and the man say I have to take the other right side of the road because I wonder, oh, me nah go back on the other side of the road. So when he pass me now, the man say, no, so the car will crash because him see me head stay so. You see me? So, oh, pass now, bro. I just wake up, crash. Just wake up, crash. Because, you know, I dream this dream more than one time. Say me meet in a one bad, wicked accident, you know, because I dey on the road every day and I don't know why I get these dreams. I'm telling people about it regular, say, yo, I meet in a one bad accident, you know, but when we wake up, and a crash. But this time no, it was for real. It was for real. So when Mrs. say me actually crash, me I said, no sir, this can't real. Cause first I started fret about the people in the car because me have a rental. I have a rental from the airport.
So the car was wrecked? Total?
Yeah, total. They have to buy people in the car at the same time.
How much was the car?
$1 million something. But I have to pay for it. I know say me crash in the hospital, so you know everybody a pressure me now because a business that can't mash up people in business, so I have to pay for people in care. So you see why in Jamaica you have a little
Money
change,
to drive.
bro. So I don't really go on, bro.
So question, the crash car, I know I said this half at the top it, but the crash car, you have a crash car, right?
Yeah, man, but me sell it.
You sell it?
Yeah, me sell it.
Okay.
Me sell it.
So fam, you crash right now, you don't remember what going, you just wake up practically, you walk off, and you say when you walk off.
When I walk off, I feel my foot. No, I don't feel my foot because through the adrenaline rush. Come out of the car, I managed to come out of the car by myself. Now, when I try to stand up now, I drop. You wonder how I drop. When I look down on my foot now, I see my foot broke.
Twist.
I start think whole heap of something now. I say, my bum, but my foot really broke. So, bro, I tell you, it wasn't nice.
Is it your first time?
Yeah, broke.
Broke
for me.
Yeah?
No, it never broke for me. I used to ride bike and do wheelie and stunts and something. That's why I stop because I say I have things I live for. So I really need to pick up this way for bike thing no more. I just park bike. And you see what catch me? In a car catch me.
And them always say bike not done make.
No, bike not done make.
But look like car still have some improvement to do.
But me I say, man.
What happened after? Somebody come on the scene or?
Yeah, man. When I come out now, like the man where me go look up, him forward there. When him forward there, it's like him never want to touch me or anything. Or I want to go into my car because I must say him don't know me from anywhere. So I beg him please say, yo, just get the phone him for me so I can make some call. So I go to Booms now and him get the phone out of the car. I dial my girlfriend first, I never get she because I know she I go cussing her. Because when I go on the road far. So I go to Booms now and call my sister, that a Mel, that a Peter wife, Roots 21 wife. Call Peter. Tell Peter, say, yo, I crash, but he never believe because him think I prank me a prank. I say, what kind of prank things you do? But Mel the other side from far seat and said, no, him face blood up, a real thing. And then hang up the phone. So I go to Booms now and call my next virgin who live at Buff Bay, that a Bean. Call Bean and tell Bean say I crash near the gas station. Bean say lie me tell. But in a split seconds, Bean reached down there. First responsive, you see me, as a friend. You see me, so even come down there now and tell the taxi man say, yo, we have to get him to the hospital right now. You see me, so from there, so them just put me in the car and I tell her that the only pain I feel when I got to the hospital because them do like 100, 200 go to the hospital and my foot a swing all about and I say, yo, please take time. But them not hear me because I'm in the chunk. So them not hear me, so I can't talk loud because I'm weak, because the amount of blood I lose. You know, so from there, so bro, I say, yo, Jano, bro. Yeah, man. From
So, boy, sorry for you that, Drizzy. The accident, you think say you learn anything from the accident?
I learn say if you're tired, you need to just stop and get some rest because this can cost your life. You see me? I know places are dangerous, you see me, but you don't need to try if you overdo this thing. You need to get some rest. Because I tell you, my battery really, really low. I never tired so yet. So, I say to everybody out there, if you're not tired and have a long journey, just stop the car and get some rest. Because this is not nice enough. Even though it's not pay me, but it slow me down from all heap of stuff, you know. Can't get to do exactly what I want to do. Because no matter how you see me go out there, same way I do what I want to do, I'm not happy because I can't get to do what I want to do and catch my shots. Oh, me want to catch my shots. Because I know how me catch my shots. You see me? I don't miss nothing. Nothing at all if I miss me. So.
But Drizzy, slow down a little. I feel like say you do an amazing job same way, fam. And I feel like say this teacher too.
100%.
Me know for you, but people not gonna really know.
Yeah.
But you know what you're capable of, right?
Right. Yeah, me know.
So mentally, because me I look on your foot right now and it full up of iron and it swell up a little bit and stuff. Cause me know
You not swell up, man?
your uncle.
No, sir. I saw it stay, man.
I saw your uncle stay. Okay. But it's still not a good sight, Drizzy, I'm being honest. Too much iron in your foot. You're Iron Man? Mentally, how you take this, Drizzy? How you take it mentally? You ever sit down and cry and you can't tell the people them if you're crying? No, nothing wrong with it. We know say you're a man, and you understand?
I'm not cry, man. I just sit down and just depress. Yeah, I'm not cry, but I just depress. So I can't get fit. You know, all of my friends them out and everybody say, yo, relax. You live this thing every day. You don't miss nothing. So when them encourage me and tell me them thing, you know, me I say, yeah, for real. Nothing really not miss me because of me are the life of the party. You see me? While me out, everybody still not happy because me not there. While me inside unhappy because me not there with them. So them not happy, me not out, and me not happy, not out with them. Because of my life of the party. Me no, as me say, me no miss, nothing no miss me. Me catch everything. Everything I wanna know, say, I wanna think me no catch it, me catch it. And that people like, say Drizzy catch everything.
For real, Drizzy, come here, watch a vlog with me and you catch everything, fam.
You don't for miss nothing, man. Nothing you don't for miss when you have vlog, especially a vlog like mine. You see me? Whole heap of cussing and them thing there. Can't miss them thing there, man. Whole heap of sweet talking and whole heap of something. Can't miss anything. A girl that pass and look good, one good shot, I can't miss that.
A good shot is everything.
Everything. Everything.
Bro, me glad say you heal up. I mean, know say within a couple months.
Yeah, man. Next month if you come off from foot.
Next month.
Yeah, February.
And then therapy after.
Yeah, therapy session.
Okay.
So we're getting there.
Get in there. All right. So we'll touch on the river now. River. When we see river.
Yeah.
You understand? And what make you think say a river is so special though?
Bro, for left the yard or for left the states come to Jamaica and go a river, it's a blessing. The river just give you a peace of mind. That's why I choose river rather than beach. Beach is just hot and just salty but the river now, when you listen to the river, flows, it just give you're going around thinking box. You start think whole heap of things, you start think about your future, you start think about how we can make some money, how we can do this, how we can do that. So the river is more relaxing for me and special for me, you know. When I come a river and cook some food and all the vibes and your people, man, just in the river. Nothing beats that. So the river is always a thing for me.
Have you ever have any bad experience on the river?
Never.
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 What about one of your happiest moments on the river? It must be one that.
Too much. I can't even
Too much?
Too much, yeah. Everybody come with vibes. Sometimes people come, not the vibes, but them want come all of vibes because you don't know, some people don't know for all of vibes, but them just want to catch a vibe. So sometimes we have to bring the vibes, you see me? But normally, people just come and just give us the vibes because they want to show us, yo, them vibes.
Yeah.
Them people, are the real people, I know. Everybody else is nice, you know, but when we have some people come with the real vibes, like real vibes machine. You know, big up them people, you know.
Yeah.
A whole heap of them, I can't even remember them name, a whole heap of them.
Drizzy, me must say though, some people, when me see you follow your channel and also following you on Instagram and reaching out to you, especially your accident fam.
Yeah.
We are talking about some people where
Big international.
international.
Yeah, man.
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, yeah. French Montana, because French Montana follow me. Yeah, French Montana. What about people? I do know Papi. Whole heap of people, bro. Like, me never know. The Genius. Bro. Whole heap of people. Everybody watch. So I didn't tell them, I know, say, yo, everybody really watches, you know. Yeah, man. People say I'm a silent watcher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here one now, Drizzy. As a young youth, what's your age again?
32.
So you're 32. You just turned 32, right? Just celebrate your birthday a week ago or something like that?
Yeah.
All right.
Go fast, man.
And as a young youth, though, may I consider you one of the most established YouTuber with the most subscriber in Jamaica. As a Jamaican living in Jamaica, I must say, yo, I commend you. But how do you take this fame, though? Because everybody know you. How do you take it? How you accept it? Or do you consider yourself a celebrity or
No.
what you consider yourself?
We are regular people to money, you know. I don't really consider myself as no star and them thing. People tell me say me a star and them thing, but yeah, me just leave it at that. I don't even like when people call me boss. When I see joker call me boss and them thing, I just fun and them thing, but I don't really like it. You see me, when I'm elevated but we act average. You see me, I mean that. I don't really, if you notice, I don't really even like the camera. I don't like upfront in the camera. So if you do see me, I don't want to look at I probably feel like a couple minutes and then you don't know. I gone behind the camera. I mean that I just like stay low key because I was low key before.
Yeah.
You know, I don't really like I like put camera on people.
You're a producer.
Yeah.
You know, are you do the production?
Yeah, I like
but you have
this.
Joker, Johnny, Danny, you know,
Yeah.
Bingy, all of them, 6.
Yeah,
You understand?
Yeah, man. And them make it happen, you know?
Yeah.
And them are their character. me I just stay laugh and the thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, when me I talk to you, Drizzy, I don't know thing me I make up, You are who make my mother want to come to Portland. My mother don't even know some of the Portland right now, and if him know right now, mommy, I'm sorry. You understand?
Murder him.
But what me want said was Drizzy, cause sometimes them give people them flowers when it's too late, and if some officials where I watch the video here, me I don't know nobody. But what me I like is me I ask Drizzy before me said this to you see me? Nobody in a Portland, any government official ever come to you and give you a little plaque, something for put in your room or your house or something.
No, so we don't make that bad way either, you know. Yeah, we don't make that bad way because we don't know so what we do out of art. We don't try to do nothing for clout or nothing.
Alright, me know you have a YouTube plaque. You see me? Yeah, me have one of them. You see me? But this a message of any government official who can just please Drizzy do a lot for especially tourism and people overseas. Because I'm a YouTuber, people always ask me, when you go to Jamaica, you see Drizzy? Because a lot of people don't know say Jamaica is so big. So they always say, you know Drizzy Burke? So I know say them all watch this and say, you never know Drizzy Burke. So any government official, man, bro get into a accident and still standing, still make people laugh. I know say a lot of people don't look on YouTube as
yeah, they not
acknowledge us as a lawyer or a doctor, but trust me.
Or a job or you know them not take you as job. They don't take it as job.
When me guarantee say you make more money than a lot of them. Me right or am I wrong?
We don't have to talk it no, you know we go.
Alright. So some government official in Portland, you know, me not go call no name. Whether Mr. Vaz, me go call him. Whether Mr. Vaz, you know, somebody. Mr. Vaz, by the way, I love what you do with Portland. The place clean, green. I like how you put fertilizer them on the plant them. Every plant when me pass green. I want with Portland, someone.
As I tell you, it's a very beautiful parish. It's green. It's always green on this side. You see me? Grass always green on this side. So you have to love Portland.
Alright, Drizzy. I know say a lot of people say, wonder why you never ask Drizzy about the river tour. If they want want to book a tour, Drizzy, or then reach out to you.
Yeah, man, them can reach out to me on Instagram, man, or, you know? Yeah, I don't really give up my number like that. But you have to reach out to me on Instagram because if I send out my number, my phone will go burn up. I have a business number still, but it's not too active now. You see, but you can reach out to me on Instagram, you see it?
And him reply fast, guys, so guess what? Do the right thing.
Do the right thing, man.
Alright. So you have anything where you want to tell the people, them, Drizzy? What we look forward to when you heal up and ready for the road again?
Some overseas content may I bring to your tables now, you know.
Wait there. Overseas, what you talking about?
Yeah, man.
Clear up that.
Man, in America, man. We are forward, man. Yeah, man, we are forward, man. You go see me with the big celebrity them too. Because me and them are planning, you know, we don't have to talk much, but it's coming, you know. Yeah, man, everybody reach out and plan what them a plan with me and everything, you know, when I get better, you know. So, you know, say, a straight bangers, you see me, I just relax right now and plan out what me I go do, what not do. But we have some good contents coming, man, you know. Yeah, I try if you don't know, me no want to left my boys and me I go, because, you know, I fly out, I want them forward, so if we can get them to come, if I one or two, somebody have to come with me, you know. Nah, left out none of them.
Yeah,
you
man.
see me? Win or no win, me not left out them. Them have to do that. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Good luck, Drizzy. People, this is my first official collaboration in Jamaica. You see me? Drizzy Burke from Walking TV. Him highlight Portland. Him highlight Jamaica because we were in St. Ann a few days ago. You see me? Him highlight Jamaica. So somebody reach out. You can't do it now or after to make it look like say I know me make you know do it. But do it even if whatever. Sometimes you just want to watch a video for Sister Ray. And bro, I know you're humble, but I want it for you. You see me?
That is it, man.
I think you deserve it. You see me?
Respect.
You see me? To any YouTuber, because I know say a lot of them are vlog, a lot of them are do spearfishing, them are do adventurous vlogs. More you give them, share some of your secret them. If them are young YouTuber and want to make a name for themselves, share something with them where I go help them grow.
Well, I always tell them, say, When I start YouTube, you have to do something you love, not to like. You see me, 'cause if you like this, you not go put in as much work where you want. And at first, the money not go come as flowing as how you want it. First, your YouTube not even going to monetize. So that's how we are going to know if you really love what you do. So just go and put in the work. Nobody watch no views, just put in the work. A video must connect.
You know you're right, Drizzy.
Connect, yeah. A video I go connect, but put good quality out. So when people are watching, them can see say, yeah, this clear, and then can see everything. So people love see a good content. So when you sit down and say this clear, you see everything. People go watch and people say, oh, look on the video, and so you go grow. So when I do that now, you grow, and then the money start coming in. When the money start coming now, don't watch what you make, just watch what you put out. You see me? So the more you grow, the more money will come in. You see me? So don't watch the money, just watch the work, put in the work.
You're so right, bro. Me remember when me just, if you look on my main channel, how much video they on your main channel?
I remember,
About too much, approximately.
All the videos.
You know how much me have on my main channel?
300 or so.
Me have 200 and odd. And me have almost 200,000 subscribers. Consistency, you're right. Everything where Drizzy sell look well, guys. I'm right.
I think me have 500,000 now.
500,000 videos.
Yeah, me have 300 on the main page and I think 100 on the other one.
Okay.
Not sure, but we're close.
Anything where I must say, guys. Anything where I must say. A lot of people focus on monetization.
Yes.
To be honest, fam, even when we monetize, we not even know yet. We just at work.
I never know.
A lot of
time I post with cat, I never know nothing about no money. Nothing. And people say, yo, you can't make money off of YouTube, you know? Because I do this thing for laughter. I don't know nothing about this YouTube thing for monetize videos. I don't know nothing about that. So you know, so I really love what I do. I never know about the money. When people start telling me about money now, so yo, I can if I monetize the thing. When I look upon the thing, I say, blood team, I enable to do everything.
So question, what was one of your first paycheck like?
My first paycheck?
A good solid paycheck off of YouTube, if you want to share that with them. Like with Cat, like...
with Cat, man. It was good, man. It was good. I think the first one, I don't remember how much, I don't want to lie. But it was good, it was nice. And sometimes I forget the money. From...
Western
Union. I went time with the whole part thing there go and people say me I collect $1 million through Western Union, which you can't collect $1 million through Western Union. That's a big lie. So people they lie. So the first paycheck the money they like probably like 100 or 200 man or really nice man.
So that's when you say I'm a job this, you know, me not stop.
Cause money can make, you know.
Yeah.
So that's how we start putting real work now. Real money start make. You see me kinda, you know, and then we start do what we do. Start split this now.
Officially.
And then the time I start saving, because I love save money. You know. Me a man who loves and pinch my money. You know. And so me make my money. You know. Yeah, man. You can give me 50 grand right now. And that I come back to the street on Monday. Just pinch that. And bear in mind, I'm on the road every minute. And that spend. You don't really spending about it done. Me don't know why. It just done.
I think that's a gift. That's a gift.
Yeah.
Same with me. Discipline. A lot of people don't have it because they want to live a life where you understand? Yeah, man. Anyway, Drizzy.
Bro, me can like when I see someone flash some big money on them thing, me can do it, you know. But I choose not to sometime. Well, me not do it.
Talking about that, Drizzy. We there your birthday party on the roof for one part. I not see you drink. How go on?
I don't drink.
And you know, say Drizzy, too much liquor, you post me, I think, say you any say buckle a day.
When I buy them, they know for the ladies, them. The liquors, them are for the ladies, them. So when I see me post them, are for the girls.
So you just do a one snap, then you...
I go, yeah, because I feel with life that, but me not drink. Me drink like them, yeah, and rum cream and anything. Although rum cream is a woman drink, so I them think them, you know.
So question, any reason why you don't drink? Is it...
No, me just grow up. I just don't like liquor. I just think it tastes bad to me. Yeah, I don't smoke it then, I just probably do it occasionally. I just feel like them things just taste bad to me. Like, yeah, I don't really do that.
Okay. Anyway, bro, it was a blessing, you know. You see me? We outside people. Drizzy Burke first official interview. Talking about that, bro, I want to rock off for the watch there, you know. Yo. Man, watch there, sir. I say, how much mileage up on that, Drizzy?
We have to take care of ourselves, you know.
Eh?
We have to take care of ourselves, man, and treat
Yo,
yourself.
just stop, put you over here, son, bro. Ah, God, man, me I come to Portland, come live, bro. It was a pleasure, yeah?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Aye. Okay, guys, you don't know, so we in a Portland. And from you say Portland, when you come on to YouTube, one walking TV, one Drizzy Burke.
Yeah,
and we're there with Danny. Danny, what go on?
there, you know, brother, everything active, you see it?
Respect. Me like your accommodation. Me like how you treat me when I'm in a place.
Right, that's all.
You see me? Because you don't know when you're there watching, you know. You see me?
They take care of it.
So me like your vibes. You see me?
Yeah, man.
But anyway, Danny, people want to get to know you a little bit, you know. You see me? Outside YouTube.
Well,
What go on?
Danny is a youth that come up in a bush now, in a valley. Left and go to Kingston. That Kingston spend the rest of my life at town.
How many years you live at town?
Call about 25 years at town. In a Avondale area. Fall back to Portland. Work on a site, meet up Drizzy. And Drizzy having camera like Bawdacat, and me a trouble Bawdacat. And the thing, that's how this start from. Down.
That's where you start from.
Yeah, man. And from this, just blow up to whoops.
So question, you say from the site.
Yeah, man.
Recently you go back on the site, go work, or just straight content creating your thing there?
Just straight content, man. Oh, yes, man. No more site, man. No more cut a dirty mud. The mud and clean and fly.
I mean, I realize say you're cleaner than you for me, you know.
Supposed to, because I walk in TV, everybody look on it down.
So question though, Drizzy, working for Drizzy.
Working with a Drizzy, man, fabulous, man, you know what I mean? Authentic and good. Good youth. Look out for you. Make you fly about 4 times. And many more fly there behind that, though.
I like that.
Comfortable. You know what I mean? In a war zone and thing.
So you say you live at town for 25 years,
Yeah, man.
and then you move back to Portland when?
Portland about 15 years now.
15 years.
Yeah, because man up in a age, you know, simply see me, so you know, a big man still. So about 15 years since I come back.
Okay. And I notice say you look like some foreigner, you know. You ever live overseas before?
No, I just the way you treat yourself, you know. You eat good and sleep in a good bed, you know.
Not one more thing when you pull up upstairs up there, so me smell a cologne where you wear when I see for about 2 years now. No, talk to me about that, Daddy.
You want no, you still walking TV.
Yeah.
You have to look the best and smell the best. Because a lot of people come around you, though.
Yeah.
And plus you work your money, though.
Yeah.
So you can save and buy your things, man. You have a thing here online. Poop, 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 and it comes to you, though.
Me like that.
Yeah, man.
So question though, any kids, any
man,
wife, what go on? Talk to me.
Man, we have some, man. I have about 4 kids, man. Last one a 13-year-old, man. Go to Teachfield High School. My school daughter, me have, you know. Be a mother still and thing.
So Danny, how you manage the fame though? Because from a construction site to everybody in our world know you. Me know you before you even know me. Although I'm a YouTuber, but how you manage it? How you manage it?
Well, all right, me tell myself, so when you go home and lie down on your bed and think, and have your head back like so, you have to think, down. So you have to say, boy, if you're up on social media, you have a lot of people that meet you, down. So you know, so you have to fit yourself in that got to carry it down. So I just said, man. So I think and do a lot and go out there, people come to me and talk to me and I explain myself and thing. And meet a lot of people.
Okay.
You know what I mean, subscribers and thing.
Yeah man. So in Portland, how you think them treat you in Portland after the fame?
Portland lovely, man. But they have a self saying, I can never get in 1 crown and 1 parish still. But I still have people reach out and love me. So I show me love seeing them. I respect all the little young youth them. Everybody look out to me, you know, as a vlogger, you know. So younger youth them I say, Danny. So you know, so you have to know for approach and know for deal with you. Right, that's right, man.
Yeah man. Blessings in bro. Keep on doing it, you see me? Good luck for me, a star.
One walking TV.
One.
And one what?
One done. One. So guess what? We up in Port Antonio. And from you watch YouTube, from you watch TV, and you're in Port Antonio. If you don't know this man here, if you don't know him, all when the camera now roll, I saw the man. Joker.
Yes, no bad.
I love your city.
Yeah, man.
I love your city.
Real,
and guess what? If nobody never tell you,
yeah,
you're a star.
Yeah, man.
Because my mother is 61
Yeah, man.
and she a star.
Yeah.
You see me, you get the opportunity now and I just want to tell you say you a star.
Yeah, man.
Joker.
Yeah.
A friend your youth them call you Joker or what?
Yeah, man, from going Norwich School, Norwich Primary School. I would seek it out and know, say, I get a lot of joke. You know? I get a lot of joke at school, but at the same time, I do my schoolwork. So I use my schoolwork and make joke out of it same way. Yeah, no matter what it might be, you know. It's nice, man.
It's nice.
It's nice.
So you know what me I say now?
Yeah.
When I come on to Drizzy Burke, I notice say you give a different level of respect to Drizzy.
Yeah, man.
What you say Drizzy do for you, Joker?
Alright, for real, me I tell you. Trust me, I've been around a lot of people where mother say mother call my boss and them look away there. And trust me, there around him and it make me comfortable, and there are a lot of things where inspire me to do. Even one which is the greatest by telling me that, Joker, I don't want to give you no money in your hand. I would like to take out a account. So telling me that, he's telling me that I'm supposed to save. So when he enabled that to me, I just get right to it and start do my little thing. And trust me, man, it's been a joy meeting Drizzy. It's been a joy deep down in my heart. I can tell you that, man, deep down. Because even the incident with him and him foot there, I told plenty people don't know, you know. And me and him come in from there, and him carry me go to my house and say, Joker, don't leave, don't come out the roads. And it so happens that's when me hear it happen, I couldn't believe, I cry high water, man, I cry high water. Because if me lose him, me no know, but I still with a program, but I wouldn't feel good. Because him should have just come call me and say him have a move I go up and move in the car with him and I keep talking to him, going in. You know, see it, and when every time I look on the foot, man, I just feel away. That's the main reason why I stick for just there on him, no care what happen. I can take bad things and turn it in a positive things. Because being with him right around here now, him foot a heel and him feel so comfortable. If him go up on him phone and him call me and say, Joker Ray, no matter what, me I broke my neck and go. Because remember, you know, this is my work, you know. You understand? So if me there at the house and him no call me in the morning and night come down like now and him give me a call and say me for meet there, so me have to turn up. It's my work. I saw me get paid. You understand? And my life changed totally. Totally. When me say change totally different. And the next thing now, me no show off. Me's just the same. You understand what me I say? Me's just the same, man. Boy, me appreciate it so much.
I'll tell you, Joker, when you upstairs, when we just pull up before Drizzy pull up,
yeah.
and how you greet me, fam,
yeah.
me have to say, yo, me appreciate it.
Yeah,
you see me?
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
So, me watch a little video when him in surprise you carry your DR.
Yes.
And I think you're not crying on that video them.
Yes, man.
Look like you're a little emotional, Joker.
Yeah, man, because at the end of the day, you know, for know
Question, was it your first time on a plane?
No, the second time I went to Colombia. They carried me to Colombia on my birthday, which
so
was
question though, meeting Drizzy, you will say Drizzy make your first time you experience going on a plane, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and me I tell a boy, it was so great. And mention Danny. Because Danny keeps on telling Drizzy that, Drizzy, you need to get joke up on the program, you know. And Drizzy usually come on and usually come on and crack me little joke and move away and leave. But him never knows me so good. Me can show you 3 hardcover book, you know, with paid joke in it when me sit down and write, you know. Me can do a standing comedian show, you know, and nobody no believe, you know. Because I practice myself to do that. Because even on YouTube, I have a TikTok page, you know, me go up on, and when me go up on it, me attract nearly 150 odd people, and trust me, man, it's so nice, man, being a star, and I can live with it, I can cope with it, and trust me, see my birthday coming around now, which is gonna be the 23rd. I'm thinking of something great. And when I say thinking of something great now, I just want to put in some little work that I can make out a little flyers and invite some people to come around and eat and enjoy themselves and let them have a drink and sit down and talk. I don't need to come around to say I'm gonna sell a beer or sell Red Stripe beer just to make a money.
Just pure good vibes.
Just pure good vibes, right? Yeah. Because I'm showing back the people the love, because the more the people keeps on watching the channel, that's the more love I'm getting.
All right, question to everybody we watch you as Joker.
Yes, sir.
Every one of your subscribers, them, all of your fans, them.
Yeah.
More you tell them something straight from your heart, and I'll give you a mic for tell them.
Yeah. Yes, to all of my subscribers, I'm telling you deep down from my heart, whenever I'm doing my work and I'm on the program, I doing it straight from my heart because I know you people love me, and you people, you can rely on me. You're gonna see a lot more about me. I'm very great, and I know that. I'm not praising myself, but I'm great. So I'm sending this message to you. I hope you people live to see many, many more years and keep watching the Walking TV family. We are great, okay? And that's all about. Thank you very much.
One joke upon the app, guys.
One
Bro,
joke, man.
respect here.
Man, that's
More
my
life
bro.
for the New Year's.
Yes, my bro.
I mean, I'll see you a lot.
Yes, my bro.
Keep on being you, fam.
Yes, man.
People love you here.
Yes, my brother.
All right, bless up.
Yes, my bro.
Ding love me so much and give me a discount code. If it's your first time using Ding, just enter 125 and you get 50% off.
50, guys.
Not 15, 50% off.
That's a lot of percentage off.
You can download Ding to your phone. It's 4 easy steps for using to top up a phone. Whether TRCM credit, Jamaica, anywhere where you use mobile recharge, mobile top up. Only thing you have to do, download Ding. I'll put in a description where you can download it. From your Play Store or your App Store. You're gonna create an account and then ask you a bag of stuff. It just asks your email address. It just asks for your name. That's it. You understand? No address and no one bag of something they ask you for. After you do that now, you're gonna select the number where you want to top up. Remember if you enter the number with the area code where you want to top up. After that, you're gonna enter how much you want to send them. When you enter that, you're gonna go to the payment method. You're gonna say pay. You can use a Visa card, PayPal, Apple Pay, whatever you want to use. Okay. After that now, so when you see promo code, where you add the promo code, enter 125. Remember that because you'll get 50% off your first time using Ding. Okay, remember, add the promo code, where it's on the screen right now, 125. Right, babes?
Yes.
Okay. After that, you just press send.
What they doing, keep on